Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been quite some time since I made a video. I've made several videos and I didn't publish them for some reason or another, but I promise to get back to it. We still have the Humvee, haven't done much to it. It's running really good right now. We did fix the fuel pump issue, but we'll get into that. I've got all the stuff I still want to do to it. We're going to get that done and other projects, but in the meantime, I've got a new product here that a good friend of mine invented. He was the one that got me into my first end mill, and I really enjoy the thing, and this invention that he has come up with really speeds the process up as far as changing your bits. You don't have quite the amount of time and headache that it takes to normally change a bit on these smaller type machines, the ones that take the RA style pilot, your arbor freight machines, your Chinese type, small tabletop end mills. We use it quite a bit, making small things for stuff that goes pew and for the hot rod stuff. So anyway, it's pretty cool. It'll help you save end mills, keep them from dropping them. Pretty much has one hand free the whole time. No more having to use a hammer. But anyhow, let's get into it, and y'all can take a look at it and judge for yourself. But let's take a look. So this is the gentleman I'm talking about, Eric Richter, old mobile machinist. He's pretty swift when it comes to these machines, and pretty much anything machinery type, electrical wise. He's pretty smart fella. But there's his contact information if anybody's interested in one of these, and he's going to have a website up soon, if not already by the time y'all see this. Just do a Google search on him. I'm sure you're bound to find it. But you'll get it in the mail, this small box, and inside of it is going to have the magic. So let me get up camera set up where we can get both our hands on this thing and take a look inside. All right, so this is what you'll get in the mail, pretty small box. And what this thing is, it goes into the spindle and it holds the collets. Pretty cool little pieces here. And he hand machines all this stuff right now. But it's got his contact information on it. And these two pieces will go in the top of the machine and will keep you from having to use a wrench and a punch to hold it. My machine's heavily modified, so I have to use this. And a hammer to remove the collets, change collet sizes. So this will really speed up the process here. So I'm going to film me using several different collet sizes, putting the end mills in, changing over to using a regular drill in this machine. I'm not going to actually do, I was going to set up and do some machining with it, but I think I can just show you the speed at which you can change these out comparatively. So the first way we're going to do it is with the original equipment that comes with the machine. And then the second, we're going to use his device. And I'll time both of them. We're going to start with the machine empty. We'll put this in, tighten it up, take it out, change to the 3/8 collet and end mill, then change to the 1/4 inch collet and end mill, and then change to the 5/16 collet and an end mill. And then we'll stop. We'll change the machine over. I'll film putting the new piece into the machine and how that's set up. And then we'll film going through the same sequence again and see the time difference. And I'll explain how it works. You're going to be like, that is pretty handy. All right, so we're going to start with the machine empty, and we may speed this up, I don't know. But so here we go. I'm not taking into effect your depth that you're trying to get the end mill to go into, because you know that can be a pain in the butt trying to hold that, tighten everything up. So we're not even going to put that into the equation. See, sometimes it's hard to find that spot. And you got to be careful. Sometimes these end mills will slide out. I always worry about chipping a tooth off the end of it. Just a pain in the butt. That's all this jerking on the machine. You see it moves. All right, so we'll put the time up on the screen there, how long that took. We're going to go ahead and remove the old one and show that whole process. Yours has this guard. Mine's been heavily modified, like I said, because I've got a variable speed DC motor. I've got RPM gauges, DRO, you know. So anyway, you have to take your cover off here. It's pretty simple. You just pull the arbor out. Then his arbor slides right in, and then this collet goes over. Now I've found that put a little dab of grease right here. It'll help lubricate everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there and then we'll put it together. All right, so we just put the arbor in there. And you slide this piece over. Find a good spot right there. Tighten up. Set screws. I'm not going to put it on this one because I'm going to take it off for filming purposes. I may have to do something else, but on the final installation, I'm going to put some Loctite on that, you know. Keep them from backing out. All right. That's it. Now, to use Mr. Eric's new tool here, you can use a regular ratchet, but makes things really fast if you've got a battery operated ratchet or an air ratchet. A lot of us use air around our machines, so that's readily available. But so without further ado, I'll explain how it works. Get it started. machine's on, your ratchet's on tight, all you do
Just run that up.
there you go. Let me take. Give it a little cinch down. Now your tool is in. To remove the tool, all you do, put your ratchet in reverse, and it will push the tool and the collet out the bottom. So when you're using your end mill bits, you basically all you have to do is hold the end mill, the bit, in your hand. You just cup it right there. You know, you don't grip tight so it doesn't cut you in case it turns. But it'll keep it from, you can just cup the bottom of your hand and keep it from falling and damaging your end mill. So let's go ahead and do a little time scenario. See how much faster it takes to run through these different bits or collets, whatever. All right, so here we go. And done. Now, not only was that faster, but how cool is this thing? And at the price point, you know, I'll let you go and look. I'll put it here in the video what it's currently at. It's cheap, man. I mean, for the thought and the work that's gone into this thing, it's cheap and it's super cool. So much more user friendly, and you get to use another cool tool. I mean, what more can you ask for? So, go check out my buddy Eric Richter. Go check him out. He's a pretty cool dude. He's not only the inventor of this, he come up with this on his own, just trying to say, man, there's got to be a better way, and that's my kind of people. I like that. So I'll put his email address here, and when he gets a website up, if it's not already, I'll put that somewhere in the description. But until next time, guys, go check him out. He's a really awesome dude, and I think that you'll be more than pleased with his product. It saves time. It's cool. It's another tool. It's a modification you can do to you. Super expensive. In mill. Just kidding. Chinese junk. But hey, serves its purpose. Does what I need it to do. And this thing will work on any machine that has that already colored. And way better machines than I've got. It's not junk. I bought it from Eric. I like it. But people say anything from Harbor Freight's junk. I like Harbor Freight. Anyhow, thanks for tuning in, guys. Go give him a like. He's got his own YouTube channel. It's The Old Mobile Machinist. Just search that app. Check him out. See what he's got. Till next time. See y'all later. Quick edit, guys. So I talked to Eric, and he does have a list of all the machines that this will work with, and possibly others. It has the drawbar, thread pitch, and size listed. It's the instructions. I'm gonna scroll through it on here and show it to you, and it'll have a list of what all it'll work for. But go check him out. It's well worth it. Pretty neat invention. I think it's worth the money. Till next time.